5 Habits of Highly Creative People. Are you living up to your creative potential? Have you thought about how encouraging your creativity could help boost your skills? People with highly creative minds commonly have more energy, are skilled at problem solving, and have high productivity. Here are 7 habits of highly creative people to kickstart your own creativity and help you reach your creative potential. 1. Aim high and learn new skills every day. If you really want to be a more creative thinker, cultivate your curiosity and learn something new every day. Whether it's a skill or a fact or a new idea, just make sure you're learning every day. Once daily learning has become a habit, you'll find a new confidence and a growing curiosity about the world. 2. Learn to connect. Creatives are highly skilled at joining what may seem like random dots. They see patterns where other folks just see a mess, and what they create as a result is fresh and unique and will stand out from the crowd. Stepping outside your comfort zone or your area of expertise also helps you get a different perspective on things and find innovative solutions to problems. 3. Be open to potential solutions. Creative minds can see potential solutions to even the knottiest problems. When you bring your imagination to the task and are not bound by what already exists, you're free to blue sky all sorts of ideas. This is where techniques like brainstorming and mind mapping can help free up your imagination. It doesn't matter how crazy the thoughts are, put them all down and see what emerges. 4. Protect your creative space. The blue sky stage of creativity can be a vulnerable time. The last thing you need is someone coming along with a pail of cold water and dousing your good ideas with criticism or skepticism. Keep that creative phase quarantined and just map out all your ideas without editing or critiquing or showing them to anyone else. Plenty of time to refine and shape your project later. 5. Keep an open mind. The key to preserving and enhancing your creativity is to stay open to different perspectives. Creativity is flexible and adaptive. If one thing doesn't work, try another. Be open to new ideas and approaches and stay curious about the world and why people do things differently. Some of the most successful creatives are like magpies, collecting new ideas and strategies and seeing how they apply to their own work.